case, a raise. It's not me, but whoever designed this PR package deserves one. Hey cuties, welcome to my YouTube channel. We got another haul for you. The packaging on this is literally insane. Like, adorable, adorable, adorable. And you guys are the ones allowing me to have amazing opportunities to get beautiful packages like this. Ah. Seriously, let me show you these pieces. Number one, we got this adorable pleated skirt. It is such good quality. I don't know where they're getting this from, but I could sleep on this. And here's the skirt. It's just really flattering because of how good quality it is. It has really good structure to flare out because my hips are smaller, so sometimes like skirts just go like this to me and it looks so bad. But this is really cute. It has a really thick waistband and it would just be perfect for like putting sweaters over, for like fall. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Next is this off the shoulder top, guys. When I say I've been dying for a black off the shoulder top, it actually has sleeves so that way I can wear it in like the fall and the winter. I will be that mysterious girl with like earmuffs and an off-the-shoulder top. Here is a black off-the-shoulder top, guys. It is beautiful. Is it just me or am I channeling my inner Regina George? Like skirt, jean, dress pants, I don't know. Anything is gonna look so good with this top. Next to this weight top, it was low-key kind of confusing when I first looked at it, but it just has like a wider neckline. Ooh, sophisticated hoop, beautiful hoop, elegant hoop. Unique hoop. Okay, I'll stop, bro. My bad. I kind of got into that. The white top, I don't know how I feel about it. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone, and I searched it up. This is actually how we're planning to be wearing it. I'm not sure if this is very flattering on me, or if I'm just like look weird in it, or maybe it's like just not working for me, but it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. But it's super unique, and I've never seen anyone else wear something like this. So let's just be a showstopper, okay? Next is this like tank top, but like it has ties on the sides, which makes zero sense. I love that this is full length. Okay, this is cool. Let me tie it. I would not be wearing necklaces if I was wearing this top because this is so cool already. Also, can we just accept that this looks amazing with the jeans I'm wearing right now? The jeans are also from LEWKIN if you didn't know, because LEWKIN has the best denim. Some of them are like a little pricey, but if you find them on sale or like look really hard, you can find them for a really good price. Your girl loves a tight top, baggy bottom combo. Who told LEWKIN my exact waist size? Because these fit perfectly. Like, these fit almost better than when I try to get my right size. And the last piece are like these green cargos. I only have one pair of green pants and they're way too big for me. So, glad I have some that are actually going to be my size. It's like when I go to school in September. If you guys don't know, I'm going to high school for the first time for grade 11. And I'm scared, but like, if it gets warm in there and I have to run because I'm running late to my classes, this is a thinner fabric, so I will not be sweating. Also, why did I put this on my head? Kind of giving though. These are the green cargos. They are a lot thinner and a lot more like comfy and casual. This is a very like starchy thin fabric, if that makes sense. These are the only green pants I have right now, and they literally fall off my butt because the waist is way too big. I'm not a big fan of drawstrings, but overall I think these pants are cute and a perfect add to the loungewear collection. So that's the entire haul. Thank you, LEWKIN. I love you. Y'all, these pants are literally from them, and these are my favorite jeans because they have such good and wide variety. Go check the description. I'll have links for everything. My code, literally save some money. My code's ELLILOOKBOOK, just like my Instagram that you need to follow. But yeah, save some money, look cute with me. Ah! So make sure to subscribe and like this video if you like cool fashion, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!